Okay, the one space which is also going to be in focus today is going to be the entire FMCG pack. And moving closer to the Q2 earnings this financial year, Unilever was actually the first ever, and I think for a very rare opportunity that they actually do this, they were the first ever to release its pre-quarter business update. Usually they don't really set out a guidance, but they did so this time ahead of their earnings on October 23rd. And this time the GST cuts have been a major factor that is expected to impact their numbers. In fact, Snehi is here to tell us what exactly Unilever's commentary was all about. Snehi?
Well, yes, the stock to watch out for in today's trade is going to be HUL or Hindustan Unilever, because for the first time ever, they've come out with a pre-quarter business update ahead of their Q2 earnings. So let's take a look at what this update is. They say that 40% of their overall portfolio, it could be toilet soap, toothpaste, shampoo, hair oil, talcum powder, all of these have been impacted by GST cuts to 5% from either 12% or 18% earlier. And they've said that they're passing on these benefits anyway via a price reduction or enhanced value. So here's what they say the impact on the business could be of this GST. They're seeing a one-off transitory impact. Say that distributors and retailers, there's been some disruption seen on that end because they've been trying to clear inventory at old prices. On the flip side, orders have been postponed as buyers were waiting for lower priced inventory. On the back of that, pantry purchases have been delayed and demand was muted across the portfolio towards the end of Q2. September sales, they say, have been impacted due to this inventory adjustment, and consolidated Q2 growth is seen to be near flat to low single-digit growth, and this impact is going to continue to be seen in October too, while some recovery could be seen in November. So it's going to be a mixed Q3 for them as well, is something that they have guided. Lastly, they're also saying that portfolio transformation is going to strengthen the growth outlook, but for the near term, this is the one-off impact that they're seeing. So if you take a look at this flat to low single-digit number, this takes us all the way back to their Q1, Q2 FY25 numbers, where the revenue was up about 1.3 to 1.5%, but volume growth was healthy at 3 to 4%. So all eyes are going to be on HUL's earnings on October 23 this year to take a look at what their revenue and volume growth is going to be like on the back of this GST impact.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.